Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful toy hauler fifth wheel comes equipped with stabilizer jacks, backup camera ready, ramp door patio package with step, single slide, solar power prep, rear patio, outside speakers, roof ladder, 8-foot ramp door, triple step entry, spare tire, outside shower, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, LED exterior lighting, double door refrigerator, AM/FM CD DVD player, mirrored wardrobe doors, ducted AC, pull-out spray faucet, flush mount gas range cover, kitchen pantry, detachable power cord, overhead kitchen storage, dual entry doors in bathroom, overhead cabinets, carbon monoxide detector, storage drawers under each booth, LED interior lighting, corner angle shower. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.